Hello everyone. Today we are going to draw the eye with free hand. So we will learn how to draw a front face eye. As I always say, do not concentrate on paper and tools. See, I'm using the paper that my kids use for their practicing alphabets. So I'm using the same paper. It is normal printer paper only. So always concentrate on the practice. Do not focus more on the tools and paper and all. So for this you can draw a circle which tells how big the eye would be, and either you can use your scale or just freehand divide this circle into two halves. Okay, so this complete is my eyeball. Now I'm going to make half of all these circles, all these lines, and join them in the form of a circle. You can also use a pro circle to draw a circle around it. I'm drawing it freehand. This is the iris. So iris means the colored part of the eye. So this is the color. Some people have it brown, some blue, some black. So this is the iris. Under iris we also have a small black part which is called pupil. So this is pupil. Okay, so this is the front facing eyeball. For making it as eye, from the center line we first create a tear duct. So it is more pointed and then like this. Okay, so there is a curve around it, so this, and then the upper lid of the eye always passes through at least little below the eyeball, like the complete eyeball is not visible, and the upper lid of the eye, it has three sections, so three curves I would say. So it is 1, then 2, and then 3. So it has 3 curves, and the lower lid of the eye has 2 curves only, like this. Okay, and now since we also have eyelashes, so there will be a line for where we apply eyeliner. So we can make this as a double line for eyelashes. Eyelashes always start from the lower part or lower line of this eye. We can fill this area. This is my pupil. Okay, and then we can also make a eye fold here, and some eyelashes. So eyelashes are not in the same not in the same direction, so we need to make them cross. And then this, we also have a highlight here, and then we can fill this area. So where we are creating the highlights implies that the light would be coming, and we will have it little more dark as compared to the opposite section of it. Okay, so now the eye is ready. We can also fill this up to show the eyeliner kind of a thing, and of course we forgot to make the lower eyelashes. Like this. Now since we are done with the eye structuring, so we don't need these guidelines, this circle anymore. We can let this part here, it is completely okay. Have it like this instead. So it is my eye fold, eyebrow. For the eyebrow, the lines goes like this and this. Okay. Then we have a fold here and this, right? So it will be little pointed and goes here. It become more curvy. So this would be the outline for my eyebrow, and then I will fill this up. So when I will fill this, I don't want such kind of markings, and it has hairs, so we need to follow the direction. In the starting we have the hairs in this direction, and they are also not dense, and as we move here, so the hair started to move like this. So just understanding the direction of the eyebrow hairs. So if we look at the eyebrow more closely, this part is little more dense as compared to any other part in the eyebrow. Additionally, there is also a layer of hairs here as well. So we can make this layer as well. And that's it. So our front facing eye is ready. I hope you will be able to create this as well. It is very simple method for creating a beautiful eye. Do try it and do share your feedback in the comment. Thank you. Bye bye.